laser?
We love the companion therapy laser. We've had nothing but positive results. We have anywhere from 10 to 15 clients that utilize it per week. Waxes and wanes during different times of the year, but we use it in all aspects, from surgical, post-surgical, post-ops, to dentals, to skin injuries or pyoderma cases, with great results.
That's great. Can you tell us about how the laser has financially impacted your practice?
Yes. Originally at the outlay cost, a little off-putting at first when you think about it, but, when I spoke with the representative who was teaching me about the machine, told me, what the expectations were in terms of recouping, we actually exceeded that and actually covered the cost of the unit way before we expected to, and we've just watched our sales and our usage percentage-wise and our finance bottom line just grow every year.
That's great. And what has been the condition that has been most impressive to you that the laser is able to effectively treat? Something that you couldn't treat well before?
Spider bite necrosis. Love it. Pre-laser, you'd have an animal that would come in with a spider bite necrosis, lesion, region, and you would just have to explain to the client that this is an area that's going to swell, the inflammation is going to get bigger, and it's going to open up, and you're going to have a very large draining lesion that's going to produce an outflowing of liquid that could be a little offsetting to most clients. We instituted using the laser, and we have not had one open since. And so I always tell owners about how it's going to open, it's a strong possibility, and yet we have not had one open since. So the owners are thrilled. It heals so much faster. They need antibiotic therapy or anti-inflammatory therapy for much shorter duration. It works in conjunction with our normal protocols, speeds healing, shortens the outlook for the animal in terms of how long the process takes to resolve, and owners are thrilled.
That's fantastic. And just the last thing, and we really appreciate you doing this, can you just tell us a little bit about both patient and client response to laser therapy?
Patients, anytime you have an animal in the room that has an area of sensitivity, you're always worried about the type of response that they're going to have to the therapy. Our outcome has been that not only do they not mind it, but that once they get used to it and understand what it actually is happening, that they look forward to it. They come running in the door, they love it, they relax, they make all kinds of those happy dog sounds. It's just, they're just enjoying it. And our clients absolutely love it. They can see a good result in their pets seem more content and happy. When you first suggest it and you put out the cost for the treatment, a lot of times they might be put off a little bit just by the idea of a cost of something running $400 or $500 to treat an arthritis situation. But once they see their pet responding, and most do respond within a treatment or two, even if it's a subtle change, they see it, and once they see it, they are on board with it, and they realize that it's something that's good for them, easy to do, low impact for them, good results, and there's not causing other changes to the other organ system. So if they have a problem elsewhere, you can use it, and you're not going to cause any other problems that the animal then has to deal with.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.